Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning into Sim's Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, today we're going to be unboxing this Illumicrate box. What is in here? I think I know. I think I know. I think I know. I'm pretty sure this is my yes. Woohoo! Alright, so this is the sequel to Swordcatcher by Cassandra Clare. It's the Illumicrate version because I have the Illumicrate version of the first one. And if you're like me, you need a matching set. I need a matching set, always. So, here we go. The Ragpicker King. Illumicrate exclusive. Ta-da! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, foil, no reversible dust jacket. This is the foiling. Foiling. Ooh. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, we've got letter from the author. And we've got signature. And let's see if there's anything else that we got in here. Just trying to see if there's any additional content. Just an epilogue. So I think this is just a duology. Not quite sure. I should probably look into that. Yeah, I own a series. I don't know much about it. But look at the detailing on those edges. Woo! Solid top and bottom. And let's look at the cover one more time. And then back cover. All right. So excited. Thank you all for tuning into this short and sweet unboxing of my Illumicrate edition of the Ragpicker King by Cassandra Clare. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.